In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a transparent overlay in CapCut PC. If you want to blend a graphic, a watermark, or even a secondary video layer into your background without covering your main footage completely, this is one of the easiest techniques to use. CapCut on PC makes it very straightforward once you know exactly where the overlay controls are, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the full process in a clean and simple way. To begin, set up your timeline so your layers are arranged correctly. Place your main footage, in this example your spreadsheet or screen capture, on track 1. This will be the base layer that stays visible underneath everything else. Then take the graphic, image or video clip that you want to use as the overlay and drag it onto track 2 directly above your main clip. This layering is important because anything on the higher track will appear on top of the footage below it. Once it's in place, slide that top clip left or right until its beginning lines up exactly with the moment where you want the transparent overlay to appear in the video. If snapping is enabled, that alignment will be even easier and more precise. Now that the timeline is arranged, it's time to open the transparency controls. Click once on the overlay clip sitting on track 2, so CapCut knows that's the layer you want to edit. After selecting it, move to the top right Properties panel. Along the top of that panel, you'll see different tabs. Click on the one labeled Video. Then just below that, make sure the basic sub-tab is selected. This is where CapCut keeps the main visual controls for the selected clip, including the transparency settings you need. Next, scroll down inside the basic panel until you find the section labeled Blend. In that area, look for the opacity slider. By default, it's set to 100%, which means the overlay is fully solid and will completely sit on top of your background. To create the transparent effect, click and drag the opacity slider to the left. You can lower it to around 50% for a balanced blend, or even closer to 30% if you want the background to show through more strongly. As you adjust it, keep watching the preview window in the center of the screen. You'll immediately see the overlay become semi-transparent and blend smoothly into the footage underneath. And that's it. With the timeline stacked correctly, the overlay clip selected, and the video basic panel open, a quick opacity adjustment is all it takes to create a clean, transparent overlay effect in CapCut on PC.